Alright, let's do a retake on these Otis tractions at 28 Queen Street by TKE. Just in a piss mod. Wow, that means sped up, or am I just not remembering correctly? Otis badge has been replaced. What?
Level 6.
They removed the pre-doors. Seriously? So let's go cancel? Cab. My god, they made this thing worse.
Level 5.
Let's see the arrow. So lift 1. 6:29 because we're going to 8 persons. Gonna make it 6:30, but no, 6:29. Mezzanine. Kinda rough. Not too bad though, I guess. I mean, cab's nice, it just doesn't respect the history of this thing.
Mezzanine.
Compared to what it used to be, at least. Let's see if this one comes. Hopefully. Come on.
Going down.
Let's do a quick run this one, see if it has pre-doors. Or if it's just as bad as the other one. All the fans quiet on this. Moment of truth. Did they make this one bad as well?
Ground floor.
No, this one actually levels like the other ones used to as well. There we go.